This is our Pujya Guruji Swami Prakash Bharti. He's come up with a simple solution to demonstrate how you can boost your immunity during this coronavirus pandemic. Here is lukewarm water in a container, and next to it is salt. He's gonna shortly demonstrate to us how you can clear your throat by doing a salt water gargle. According to Guruji, the viruses can enter your body from two places. One is from your nostrils, your nasal passages, and other from your mouth.
Flu virus.
The flu virus. So what you have to do essentially do is cleanse your throat, and that can be done from two ways. One, you do a salt water gargle for your throat, and the other, you have to clean your nasal passages. We will now shortly demonstrate both of them. This is lukewarm water in a glass. Guruji is mixing salt in the water now. After mixing the salt in hot water, he is gonna now demonstrate of how to clear your throat. This salt water kriya is going to cleanse and enhance your lungs and your throat. It's going to clear your throat. If there is any mucus or any kind of debris stuck in your throat, it's going to cleanse it.
So we can put little bit stronger salt inside the water. So we feel like a little bit burn also here, but it's okay.
Guruji is saying that you should put in one glass of water, say about 200 to 300 ml, maybe 2 teaspoons of white salt.
One spoon is enough.
One teaspoon of white salt.
So we can finish the whole of the water, not only 2 times.
Yeah. You have to gargle at least 4 to 5 times
Full glass of the water finished.
until the glass is finished completely. Guruji is heating ghee. The ghee has to be lukewarm. As you see, it's on the burner and the ghee is melting away. Here we have heated the ghee and it is piping hot. You're supposed to consume the ghee which is piping hot. It might irritate you a little on your throat, but the essence is you're supposed to consume it piping hot. Guruji is now gonna transfer the ghee from the bowl to the teaspoon and he's gonna consume it piping hot.
So at least, but we take like full 2 spoon, okay? Because
Yeah. You have to consume at least minimum 2 teaspoons of ghee which is piping hot. This will absolutely oil and lubricate your entire chest and your throat area. Here Guruji has taken 2 tablespoons of ghee and he's in a bowl and he's gonna mix 2 pinches of salt in the ghee and then we are going to heat it. You blend the ghee and the salt together, and then you put it on the burner and heat it and make it piping hot. As seen before, he is already heated salt, 2 pinches of salt with 2 tablespoons of ghee, and now it's piping hot and Guruji is ready to consume it.
Sometimes it's very hot, so drink it like tea. So we can drink finished all that 2 spoon of the ghee.
What Guruji has in his hands is something famously known as the Jal Niti pot. He's got at least 200 to 300 ml of lukewarm water inside it, and now he's gonna add 2 pinches to 3 pinches of white salt in it. After blending the salt inside the lukewarm water in the Jal Neti pot, he is gonna perform a kriya known as Jal Neti. You have to perform this with both the nostrils, the right and the left nostrils, turn by turn.
Sometimes I also feel to drink the water, but this is normal, not bad. So I'm again requesting to all people, please, you will not scared, don't be fear from the corona. If you get fear, then what happen? Your immune system suddenly come to the down. If you get scared, then so you cannot able to fight with the corona. But if you not scared, then your immune system automatically increase the high. So again I request, don't scared, fight with very well. Like example, I don't scared even 1% from the corona, and I got experience with some people. Okay, so even corona people can stay with me. I'm nothing scared because I know how to fight with the corona, and people cure from this technique without scared and living in the home, and really they are survived till now, and their family also sick, but they all family also good. So I got experience, so I thought I will show you the video. You will get also happy and healthy from the corona. Thank you. Namaste. Okay, so I will show you how to make ghee, or you can say like clarify butter.